Hey guys, and today's flower is this big guy here. I think on some videos they call it a dahlia. And I stopped at just 2 rows of petals, but you could make even more, and instead of having a center at all, just keep coming in smaller and smaller and smaller with this type of a petal. Okay, now this is a large scale, obviously. I did find some of my little squares. Let me move this out of the way so we don't have so much pink. Okay, I found some of the little squares that have been cut off of other projects. And the concept is this is going to be the point toward the center. So you're going to roll the paper into a little cone like this. Okay, and then just grab some glue. I'm going to use hot glue. Actually, there we go. There was a little in there. Get it cooled off. Okay, so you're going to make many of these. And you can make them in multiple sizes if you want. That's what I did on the large one. Let me grab it again. These are actually cutting an 8.5 by 11 in half and then folding it over to get my square. So 2 of these petals from one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Okay, and then you're just going to fold. So it makes a larger petal than you would think. And then just secure it. So you can see it's a pretty large petal. Now I put that on there after I had glued all of these together. That's not something I started with. That was just clean it up a little on the back and possibly give me something to glue a stem to, or if I'm not sure yet how I'm going to hang it. So I wanted something there as an anchor. Alright, so again, you can get 2 of the large petals from an 8.5 by 11. And then what I had done was these, after I cut them in half, I cut them in half again and made squares, and was able to get just a little bit smaller petal to make the second row. So you could continue to do that and fill up the entire thing with these petals. But what I decided to do was stop, and I made a large fringed center, and then I used one of the smaller centers inside of that. Okay, but literally I made all of these, and then I was kind of laying them together. I had no idea how many I was going to need, so I was kind of laying them together as I was making them so I could figure out how many it was going to take. I just put a little bit of glue down at the ends. I didn't glue all the way up. Okay, save yourself some glue. Just glue down around the edges on the ends, and then right here, I put some glue, a little bit of glue on one side and on the back, because I was laying it down on this set of petals here, so I wanted it to have a good connection there. And then I was able to slide this one in and just go all the way around like that. Okay, so it's light as a feather. These things are so easy to hang and use in decorations, and so cheap to make. You know, Rima paper is not very expensive, and you can get a ton of decorations out of it. And I like that it's inexpensive, because a lot of Bible school decorations we don't have room to store. So if I can't find a church that I can gift it onto and let it just keep getting passed down the line, then these things will end up in the trash. So with all of these decorations, I am going to contact some people I know with kids who are having birthdays coming up to see if they might want to salvage some of this for a birthday party. Other than that, it'll go in the dump. So, but it's not a great loss. It is just out of paper. So anyway, this is a really cute flower. This kind of shows you the impact when you go big versus some of our smaller flowers that we've been making. So I will see you in the next video. I did decide to do a video on how to do these centers, just so you're not searching for the video that had it in it, because I wasn't showing in every video how to make these. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little video on those. That way you'll have it to refer to when you're making all of your other flowers. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.